Hello everyone. I received these beautiful green, my favorite color, cat-eye glasses, sunglasses at that, with the metal temple, okay? That's beautiful. See that? From Amazon now. They was $12.95. Can you believe? Nice, fashionable sunglasses. $12.95. Let me finish telling you about them. They're small cat-eye glasses, sunglasses for women. Vintage square frame metal temple fashion sunglasses. UV 400 protection. UV 400 polarized lens comfortable one-piece nose pad. Quality flexible screw bolt hinges. Talking about in here. Okay? That's what we're talking about. The screw bolt hinges. Shadow-proof layers. Elegant metal legs. Speaking of here, elegant metal legs. Anti-wind pressure protection layer. They're also scratch resistant layer. And shadowproof. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love them. They're the right color. Came with this carrying case here. You can hook it to your belt, your purse, or what have you. Book bag. And it has this little pouch here that came with it. And a cleaning cloth. See? Let me do this first. The cleaning cloth itself. Beautiful. Look like high-end stuff. Okay. You just clean them. I'm going to fold them. And we're going to put them down in here. And I am going to fold my little cleaning cloth. And it too will go down in here so I won't have to look for it. Pull the drawstring. Put them in my fashionable carrying case. Close them up. Make sure everything is in. And zip them up. And hang them onto my bag until I get ready to use them. You can go wear them out to dinner, shopping, to the park, on a date, to work, anywhere you would like to be seen in your cat-eye glasses, sunglasses at that. Beautiful. And they come in other colors too, but they just so happen to have this beautiful green. Now, they have them in blue too, because I seen a pair. I seen them in a brown, blue, pink, and I want to say black, but I'm not for sure. But I do know they come in other colors, okay? And they are nice. I got mine free through the program. Did I tell you they go on $12.95? And I got mine free from the program. Can't beat that. They're lightweight too. Well made. Nice, sturdy. Nothing flimsy about them. Nothing. Nice pair of glasses that will match your outfit. Okay. And if you like them, go ahead and purchase them. Try to see them through my eyes. And if this video helped you, push that button, yes. Let Amazon know that the live reviews do help. Okay? Alright. Well, I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.